exercise 3.5, page number 62, question number 1. Which of the following pair of linear equation has unique solution, no solution or infinity many solution? In case there is a unique solution, find it by using the cross multiplication method. So we are having 5 parts in the equation. We are going to start with the first one. The pair we are having is the 3x minus 3y minus 3 is equal to the 0 and 3x minus 9y minus 2 is equal to the 0. So we have to find a1, a2, b1, b2, c1 and c2. So a1 we are having as equal to the 1, b1 we are having as equal to the 3. So a1 we are having as equal to the 1, a2 we are having as equal to the 3, b1 we are having as equal to the minus 3, b2 we are having as equal to the minus 9, c1 we are having as equal to the minus 3 and c2 we are having as equal to the minus 2. Now we have to find first of all a1 by a2, is it equal to b1 by b2? So a1 we are having is the 1 by 3, a1 by b1 by b2 we are having minus 3 and minus 9. Minus is cancelled from minus, 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. So this one we are having 1 by 3 and the 1 by 3. Now a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 we are having, then we have to find is it equal to the c1 by c2 or not. So c1 we are having is the minus 3 and c2 we are having is the minus 2. So minus is cancelled from minus. Now a1 by a2 is equal to the b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2 we are having. Now if we are having this condition, then the linear equation have the no solution. So I'm going to write here, therefore pair of linear equations have no solutions. So this one we are having is the part 1. Now comes to the part 2. The pair of equations we are having is the 2x plus y as equal to the 5 and 3x plus 2y as equal to the 8. First of all, we have to find a1 by a2. This one we are having is the 2 by 3, b1 by b2. This one we are having is the 1 by 2 and c1 by c2. This one we are having is the 5 by 8. Now, in this case, we are having a1 by a2 and b1 by b2. First of all, we have to find that both of them are equal to each other or not. So a1 by a2 we are having is the 2 by 3 and b1 by b2 is we are having 1 by 2. That means they are not equal. So if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 we are having, then the linear pair of equations have unique solutions. So I'm going to write here first of all, therefore pair of linear equations have unique solution. So if they are having the unique solution, then we have to find them by using the cross multiplication method. Now we are having this one as the unique solution. Now I'm going to write the equations we are having 2x plus y. I'm going to transpose this 5 here. We are having minus 5 as equal to the 0. Here we are having the 3x plus 2y. We are going to transpose 8 from right hand side to the left hand side. Now these are the equations we are having. I'm going to solve them by the cross multiplication method. So I'm going to write here by cross multiplication method. So first of all, we are going to write here x, y and the constant term. Now here we are having the x, then we are not going to consider the variable which is having x here. So we are going to consider these two here. Here we are having is the 1 by, that is the 1 and 2, and here we are having the minus 5 and minus 8. We will cross multiply them. Now comes to the y, we are having y here. Now I am going to consider both of them. So I am going to write here we are having the minus 5 and minus 8, and here we are having is the 2 and 3. So I am going to write here we are having is the 2 and 3. Now comes to the constant term we are having. Here we are having is the, we are not going to consider these constant terms. So we are having is the 2 and 3, and here we are having is the 1 and 2. We are going to take the coefficients of the x and y and the constant term here. If we are taking x, then we are not going to consider the coefficient of x here. We are going to consider the coefficient of y and the constant term. Now cross multiply. I am going to write here x upon 8 ones are 8 minus 5 2s are 10. Now is equal to the y. Here we will cross multiply. 5 3s are 15 minus 8 2s are 16. Now comes to the constant term. 1 upon 2 2s are 4 minus 3 1s are 3. Now we are going to solve them. X minus 8 minus and minus plus 10 is equal to the y minus 15 minus and minus plus 16 and 1 4 minus 3 we are having. Now x upon minus 8 plus 10 plus minus minus we are having is the 2. Now we are having y plus minus we are having 1 here and here we are having is the 1. 4 minus 3 we are having is the 1. Now I'm going to write x by 2. We are going to write the constant term equal to that one. Here I'm going to write y by 1 and I'm going to put this one as equal to the constant term. Now we're going to cross multiply. So x is equal to 2 we are having and y is equal to the 1 we are having. So value of x we are having is the 2 and the value of y we are having is equal to the 1. This one we are having is the part 2. Now comes to the part 3. The equations we are having is the 3x minus 5y as equal to the 20 and 6x minus 10y as equal to the 40. First of all, we have to find a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. So we are going to write here a1 by a2 we are having as equal to the 3 by 6, b1 by b2 this one we are having as equal to the minus 5 by minus 10 and c1 by c2 we are having as equal to the 20 by 40. So first of all, I'm going to simplify this one. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and minus is cancelled from minus. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10 and here we are having the 10 2s are 20 and 10 4s are 40, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. First of all, we are going to find a1 by a2. Is it equal to b1 by b2? We are having. So a1 we are having is the 1 and a2 we are having is the 2. Now b1 by b2 we are having as equal to the 1 by 2. So we are having a1 by a2 is equal to the b1 by b2. Now we have to find that both of them are equal to the c1 by c2 or not. Now comes to the c1 by c2, this one we are having is the 1 by 2. That means 3 of them are having equal to the each other. Now 3 of them are having equal to the each other, then we are having is the many solutions. So I'm going to write here, hence the following pair of linear equations are having many solutions. I have to write it infinity many solution. Infinity many solution. This one we are having is the part 3. Now comes to the part 4. The equations we are having is the x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to the 0 and 3x minus 3y minus 15 is equal to the 0. First of all, we have to find a1 by a2. This one we are having 1 by 3. Now b1 by b2. This one we are having is the minus 3 by minus 3. Minus is cancelled from minus. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So this one we are having is the 1 by 1. Now, first of all, we have to find a1 by b2. a1 by a2 is equal to the b1 by b2 or not. So a1 by a2 we are having is the 1 by 3 and b1 by b2 we are having is the 1 by 1. That is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 we are having. Now in this condition we are having is the unique solution. So I'm going to write here, therefore the pair of linear equations have unique solution. Now we are having the two equations, that is the x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to the 0 and 3x minus 3y minus 15 is equal to the 0. Now I'm going to solve this one by cross multiplication method. We have given that in case there is a unique solution, we have to solve them by using the cross multiplication method. So first of all, we will write here x, here is the y and here is the constant term we are having. Now, the x we are having, this is the equation we are having. Now we are having x here, so we are not consider the variable x here. Now we are having is the minus 3 and minus 3. So So minus 3 and minus 3. Here we are having is the minus 7 and minus 15. We have to cross multiply. Now we are having y here. We are not going to consider y here. Now I am going to take minus 7 and minus 15. We are already having here. Now I am going to cross multiply this one by the 1 by 3. That is the coefficient of the x we are having. Now here we are having the constant term. So we are not going to consider constant term here. Here we are having is the first of all 1 by 3 and here we are having is the minus 3 and minus 3. We have to cross multiply them. Now we are going to cross multiply. So here we are having is the x upon 15 multiplied by 3. This one we have minus and minus plus and 15 3s are 45. Minus and minus plus 7 3s are 21. Now I'm going to write here y. I'm going to multiply 7 3s are 21 minus 21 minus 15 1s are 15. This one we are having is the 15 here. Now I'm going to write the constant term here. 3 1s are 3 minus 3 minus 3 3s are 9. That is the minus 9 we are having. Now I'm going to solve it further. Plus minus minus we are having as equal to the 24. Now here we are having is the y. Minus 21 minus and minus plus 15. So minus 21 plus 15. And here we are having the 1 upon minus 3 minus and minus plus 9. Now here we are having the x upon 24, y upon minus 21 plus 15. Here we are having is equal to the minus 6. And the constant term we are having is the 1 upon plus minus minus we are having as equal to the 6. Now we are going to write x as equal to the constant term, then we are going to put y as equal to the constant term. So here we are having the x upon 24 and the constant term we are having is the 1 upon 6. So we cross multiply. Here we are having x is equal to the 6s is equal to the 24. X is equal to the 24 by 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 4s are 24. So the value of x we are having as equal to the 4 here. Now you have to solve the value of y here. So I'm going to write here. Here we are having is the y by minus 6 and the constant term we are having is the 1 by 6. Now we cross multiply. Here we are having the 6y as equal to the minus 6. Y is equal to the minus 6 by this one we are having is the minus 6 here. So this is the 6. 6 1s are 6. So the value of y we are having as equal to the minus 1 and the value of x we are having as equal to the 4. So this one we are having is the part 4. With this one we have completed the question number 1. In the next video we are going to start with the question number